Yep.
And then all of a sudden I was in a bump. Oh, this is like, wind up like that. So kind of give me a little more
Yep. Whew. This climb is more strenuous, and I'm typically used to doing this clockwise. Yeah, that snow basin course is bumpy. Woo!
You guys good?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey Miles, I'm gonna go let you go. Yeah.
This is like a sixth of the way.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
From where we started at that fork.
Or I could just, you know, turn around here.
Nope.
Not in the training plan.
That's all right. You've got 2 weeks before your next race. You can totally burn yourself out tonight.
My next race is on Friday.
Isaac, I was impressed with how well you did on the race. You were killing it on that hill. I liked it. You were going up, and you were still putting the gas on when other people were going, oh, oh.
Weaving back and forth.
Gavin, do you want to go ahead too?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah, and James, you were doing well too. I guess, Gavin, I didn't see you race.
I saw Gavin go. He was killing it too.
Maybe I was riding at that time. Yeah, so, you know, on the course marshal, typically you're riding quite a bit, or if you're not riding, you're helping out a kid, mechanical or medical or whatever. But they were short-handed on stationary marshals. And so they asked me to go to a spot, and then I was there for 2 hours. Oh, yeah. To watch, yeah. How can you not, to cheer on your kids? I got a photo of Tegan at the start. Oh, did I say the wrong? I said Tegan, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I saw Harper. She was racing when I was the marshal.
Yeah, so we talked Harper a little bit. We talked with Tegan after Silver Hollow.
Yeah. Oh, so I knew being a marshal, if I helped out a kid, I have to radio it in and tell them, hi, thank you. I have to radio it in and tell them about the 5-minute penalty. But I guess if a kid helps a kid, that's also a penalty. Yeah, that makes sense.
I think they can provide verbal.
Yes. And that's the same with the marshaling. I can stand there and talk them through, but if I touch their bike or provide them any equipment, then it's the penalty. But you know, I've told Nora, you know, she isn't so familiar with all the mechanical fixes. So if she has an issue during the race, thank you. It's probably time well spent to ask for the help. Thank you. This is where it's nice having a visor on the helmet. I guess last year we had an event where we did how to maintain your bike. I don't think we did one this year. It's funny, I'm always working on the bikes, cleaning them, replacing sealant or whatever. But when I go and ask Nora, come on, you gotta watch this. I don't want to. Yeah. I guess at least Nora knows how to put in a tube, but I don't think I've actually made her do it. So I don't know if she has like the finger strength to use the little levers and stuff. Oh yeah. That's the way it was with I have a Specialized Enduro 2012 26-inch tires, and I was just putting on some brand new tubeless tires on it. Man, those are hard to put on.